first thing we want to do to create our morph is we basically first of all have to get a character. For this character we have to make sure that the animate script I'm going to make sure that the animate script is a regular script instead of a local script, which can be easily done by just a character adding script, which we can call animate. We can in the animate script control X all the contents, and in the server-side script control V all of them, and then from the local script we can just quickly drag and drop all of the thing contents of it and repeat the local script, and we're finished. We already have a copy that. Now as you can see, I've called this character the W for character. You have to also call it character. Now you can just, while selecting it, press Ctrl G and you can call this let's say morph, and then let's create a button. Cylinder, scale that about these dimensions, make it yellow, and I'm going to put it inside of the morph, and I am going to insert the script. Additionally, I'm in the storage into the remote menu, morph event, and I am in starter player script, going to insert the local script, which I'm going to call the belive. Anyways, in our server-side script, I am going to write local equals, because we don't want that if the player steps on the morph, it will continuously morph him, because that would be quite bad. So anyways, we're going to say script that parent.touch connect function, and we're going to get the hidden parameter. We're going to say if game.players get player from character it.parent, because if let's say the foot touches this part, then that would mean that the parent would be a player's character, so we can get the player from this character. So we can check if EB equals to false, so if currently our debound is false, then we can get player local equal we can copy over the contents of this statement. We can get local char equals to script.parent clone. That's why it's very important that this dummy, this template for a character is actually my character. Then we can do character.name equals to player.character.name, because certainly we have to change this character. Character.parent equals to workspace. Player.character equals to char. Then the storage.morph event fire line, and we're going to input the GLR, and now we can say db equals to true. We're going to wait 1 second, and we are going to say db, and this made so that let's say somebody touches it, it sets it to true. Somebody touches it, it's that true. That's why it won't react. It has to be false, and after 1 second it's false, then it will be. To go through the basic contents, if this part is touched, it is going to check if the parent of what touched it, which is your foot, is a character of the player. If the debound is false, then it will get the player to have a check if it's a player. It will get the player's character. It will get a character by cloning the template for our morph. We're going to set the name of it to what it should be, and we're going to set the parent of it to the workspace, so that is workspace. We're going to make that it acts as a player's character just by setting the variable player.character. The controls change, and so that you actually modify the character. And we're setting off an event, and we're handling the event. And now we're coming to the morph client local, because we cannot manipulate the camera to the server side of the script, so we had to transfer this to the local script. This here we can say game.reference source of morph event.onTime function, and we do not get any parameters, and simply workspace current camera subject equals to game.player.character.human, and as we can see, if we check this out, it will output this one error, but it should be fine. Now if we go on to this button, oh yeah, I became this character.